Hello everyone, welcome back to Apps Explorer Hub channel. Now in this video, we are going to look at how to separate audio from the video file. You know, when you import video into the Camtasia application, now this Camtasia enables you to actually separate the sound from the video. How can you do that? So in this video, we are going to just separate it, and I'm going to have another tune and pass the same video with a different sound as well. What do you need in order to do this? What you need here is going to be your video file and also your MP3 or the sound file as well. So let's get going. Now in my folder on the desktop, if I open that folder, I have a lot of files in, and I have a video file and also a sound file. So as you can see, this is the video, and that is also a sound file. So if I start to play this, you're going to see that this is a video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Netcode Hub channel.
So you can see this is what is a video, and it has the length of 31 minutes 17 seconds, right? So that is it. Now the tone that you hear at the background, I want to just take off the tone and set a different tone or set a different audio at the background. I'll have the image or the video being displayed showing, but the sound is going to be different. So aside from having this, I have this the sound that I have as well. Now this sound, so now we are going to So you see, now you are going to add this sound to this video file. Or I have these two sounds, so let's see. Alright, so you can see now we can add these two music files. Okay, so we want to add these two music files under the video, the sound of this video. So that is what you want to do in this video. So let's get going. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do here is first, I'm going to import all the videos. So we've talked about the previous video, how to import video to this Camtasia. You can just highlight them, then drag and drop them. Simple as that. Simple as ABC, right? That's right. Now, in this is the sound, and there's the name. Now, you can see the video file has the video interface, and it has this, the name being displayed. The same thing applies to the sound as well. Okay, so the first thing is, we are going to now drop the video file. So we just pick the video file. Then you don't need to drop it here. This is an output of showing you what you're actually doing. So here is where the process must take place. Now you have track 1, track 2. You can decide to add more tracks by clicking on that. Okay, so add a track. You can click on that to add a track 3. So when I click, I get track 3. So you can just keep on adding tracks depending on what you want and how you want it to be done. So, and this is also the zoom slide. Now, if I just move it to the negative side, it shrinks the video. Now, this expands the video. We can't understand this carefully or really vividly unless we drop a video. So let's drop a video here. Drag a video. As soon as I drag a video, we have two interfaces that is ready to accept the video. This area is going to be aligned at this, or can just bring it here too as well. So, anyhow you want it to be. Now this, you can see here, it is ready for you, or I can just bring it here. Now just put it to track 3. Now as soon as it gets generated, now you have track 3, track 4. Anyhow, anywhere that you want to just leave your hand, now you paste it over there. Now this, it is a moving or the player bar. Now as soon as it starts to play, as soon as it starts to load or just move, it gets the content, actually the current content where you are. So you can see that as soon as I start on the play, now you can see it is playing.
So we are going to get.
Now we have a video file now, and let's say we set the view by right click on this, go to the project settings. We want 120, 1280 by 720. That's the dimension that we want. Okay, now we have it over there as well. So what I'm going to do here is, in order to separate the sound from the video, what do you have to do? Now right click on the video file, the one that you've uploaded. Right click on that. Now you can see we have separate video and audio. So separate video and audio. So click on that. Now when you click on that, you can see we have the audio on top, we have the video beneath. So or there's another way to that you can also do that. So you can just go to undo. We have the video and the audio together. You select that, then you go to, let's see, with the edit, you see we have separate audio and video too as well. You click on that, and you're going to have the audio file being separated. So you can see we have the audio and you have the video. Now when you have that, you can just actually click on the video, right click on that, and click on the audio and click on delete. So currently we are having only the video, we are not having the audio. Let's see. So click on the play button and let's see what we got now. So you can see now the video is now playing, but there's no sound at all. So on the check, you can see there's no sound and the video is playing. Now you can see the length of this, and you can use the zoom slide to actually just move it small to have it. Okay, so you can see now you have it over 30 minutes. You can see the starting and the end as well. So you can see there's no audio beneath it. So what can we do is now we have to go there and grab our audio and just bring it. Now we want to start first with this one. So save as, you just have to just drag this. And now you don't put it on top of this. You now put it on top. You don't put it on top of this, but rather in a different track. Okay, on top, either the top side or the bottom side. But it's advisable to put it on top, the video or the sound or audio file as well. Okay, now with this, you can actually expand this. You can actually, so you can see now the length of this is what it's just some few minutes. Okay, about 3 minutes. But here is 30 minutes or 31 minutes. So how do you want it to be? Now, actually, you can slow this, can decide to slow this, reduce the speed of the track, but it is not advisable to do that. What you can do here is can now copy and paste to get to the maximum length that you want. And you can store, so in the next video, we talk about how do you split, okay, the video as well and join them. So first of all, we have this, so let's try to drag it again. Now we're going to drag the other one and we put it there, okay. So when you're coming, make sure you have a line that separates you and that before you leave it, because when you put it here, there's going to be a gap. And when the audio gets, they're going to stop before it gets to the other one. So make sure you have it in join. Now with this, you can actually highlight this, and you can just copy this and just make a duplicate. So let's copy this. Now let's paste the track. Okay, so I can paste it here. Now I can paste it again. So paste over there. Then we can still paste it one more. So let's do it again. So we paste it here and one more again. So let's paste this. Okay, so we paste it here. But you can see that in this video, now the sound is longer than the video. How do you do that? Let's talk about that in the next video. How do you cut a residue? Let's say residue. How do you cut it? Okay, and how do you expand this? Now, in order to actually expand that, let's say kind of simple. Let's see what if you can actually work with that. Now that is a video file you can see. Now with this sound that you've added. Now you can increase the sound of this file in two ways. One, as soon as you click, you can see we have a bar over there on top. Now when you just move the bar upward, the sound keep increasing. Or you can just highlight the whole thing here and now click on the properties. And what do you have to do again? After clicking on the properties, you just go to sound and you can increase the sound to the maximum sound that you want. But for now, let's leave it as it is. So I'll now hit on the play and let's see the sound that we used to know is going to be different or the same thing as well. So you can see now you have a sound being playing. So now let's move it across and let's see. Let's click on play. So you could see that we've achieved what we wanted to do, right? And at the same thing, okay, so you could see now it is done. Now the next thing is, now after you've done with this, then you can now save that. Okay, but there's also one way that you can actually do with this file. Now you see we have this being joined. But sometimes you can just, even by mistakenly, you can just decide to click on that and can be moved out of this. When that happens, and you're going to just create a problem in your media. So there's a way called stitch. You can just stitch this together. Now stitching is going to just actually grab like a thread and then just join the starting and the end. You're going to join them to the other one, so you could have like a trail, okay, a trailer or the coach of this. Now let's highlight everything here. Right click on that, and let's see if we can actually have the stitch. So with this, let's see how to actually stitch this together, and highlight it and go to the same edit. So let's see right now, for now, we don't want the video to be long. Now let's talk about that in the next video, okay? So for now, what we talk about here is how do you actually separate an audio from the video file, and actually how to add a new video file and save it. So when you're done with that, what you're going to do is, now click on the share file or the share button. Now click on anyhow you want to save it, so local file. Then you give it a name. So it is MP4, give it a name and choose the location, and off you go. So that is it for the video, and you're going to have a complete video with a different sound as well. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe too, and I'll see you in the next video.